Hey everyone! Thanks for tuning in. Before we begin, let me take a moment to set up this microphone. It can be quite a hassle sometimes. My name is Kama and I'm a huge fan of monster toys. Today, I want to talk about a particular kaiju that caught my attention, Five King from the Bandai Ultraman Ultra Monster Series 102. But first, let me just say that this Saramonic microphone is really starting to get on my nerves. It keeps picking up unwanted background noise and it's making it hard for me to focus on what I want to say. Anyway, back to Five King. This kaiju is a fusion of 5 different monsters: Gomora, Red King, Pigmon, King Joe, and Alien Icarus. As you can imagine, this makes Five King a unique and formidable creature. You can find this figure on eBay for either 328,208 Indonesian rupiah or us $21.99. As a collector, I appreciate the attention to detail that went into creating this figure. The paint job is spot on, and the figure is made of high-quality vinyl that gives it a sturdy and durable feel. I played with this kaiju alongside the one I reviewed previously, which was a Mitsu Orochi, and both figures look absolutely perfect together. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to talk to you all again soon, hopefully with a better microphone.